Good morning everyone. How are you all doing? Alright, let's start with our lesson. Open up your maths activity 1B to page number 12. You will have to draw a blue line to write today's date, that is 10th of November 2020. Once you are done with that, then you can once look at page number 8. Flip back to page number 8. This is a hundreds square. That means the numbers are from 1 to 100. The numbers are given 1 to 100 in a shape of a square. So this is called hundreds square, which I have already drawn here. I'll write the heading 100 square. Now, what will this 100 square do? It will help us to do the work in our activity book, page number 12. Open up page number 12. Alright, as you can see here, there is number 9 given. Alright, after the next box, which is on your right hand side, which is forward counting, after 9 comes 10. So here when you look at 9, then comes 10. There is a box, if you have noticed, below number 10. There are few boxes in which you are supposed to write in the numbers. Say for example, this is the box 9 and 10. Below 10 there is another box which is empty. You will have to write 20 there. Below 20 would be 30, and below 30 the box will be 40s. So you look at the shape of this and this, it's the same. The reason I'm showing you, trying to explain you on hundreds table is because you will understand it better. Because David has cut off the parts of 100 square. This is the 100 square, and David has cut out, he took a scissors and he has cut out the parts like this. Okay, so what we got to do, we got to fill in the missing numbers. We have to fill in the missing numbers. Here, as you can see, letter B, actually A is already been done for you. That's why it's already written. It's also written in your book. Now we have to focus from letter B. The number here is 57. So 57, this is the rows of 50. So if you look here on the table, 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51. So in this row, you will definitely find 57. So this is 57. Now, we will draw boxes on the hundreds table looking at this. So there are 1, 2, 3 boxes straight on towards your right hand side. So 1, 2, 3. There are 3 boxes. So what are the 3 numbers? 3 boxes. What are the 3 numbers? 57, 58. After 57 is 58, 59 and 60. Do you see this? Quickly write down. Then there is another box which is going upwards from 60. So that would be 50 there. Right above the box of 60, we have a box of 50. We have 50 there. Above 60 means 10 less than 60 is 50. So you will be writing 50 here. Letter B. Now let's do letter C. This letter, the numbers given is 78. So when we look at the table here, we need to spot 78. 78 you will find in the rows of 70. I found 78. Now can you see here? Now we need to focus whether the box is drawn onto your right hand side or onto your left hand side. Okay, so if it is on the left hand side, that means it is below 78 there is a box. So if I'm standing at 78, one box down would be 88 and another box down would be 98. So this is 88 and this is 98 because this is the 80s box. 88, 98. This is 90s row. This is 80s row. Okay. Now, so you can see here, beside 98, there are two boxes towards your right hand side. So if you are standing at 98, towards your right hand side, the two boxes would be 99 and 100. So quickly write down 99 and 100. Okay. Let's do the next one. What's the next number? Letter D. They say 44. So what you're going to do, look for 44 number on the square. 44 would be found in the rows of 40 and here 4. So we have found 44. What's the next step? From 44, the arrows are walking 2 steps backwards. 2 steps backwards. So step 1 and step 2. So numbers are 43 and 42. So 1 step down from 44 will be counting in tens. It will jump to 50s row. So it will become 54. Now, beside 54, there is another box, same row, so it will be 55. If you notice carefully, below 55, they have taken 1 step down, which is tens compared to 10 numbers, yeah, counting in tens. So from 55, 1 step down here at the bottom would be 65. Okay, now look at letter E. The number starting with this 31. There is one box towards your right hand side. So it will be 32. Then above 32, there is one box. Above 32, 1 step up would be 22. We will go to the row of 20s. So beside 22 would be 23. Beside right hand side, 1 step would be 23. Now look at it. We are not done yet. Below 31 would be the row of 40s. So it will be 41. So this is how you have to fill in the boxes. Next, letter F. Your number is 47. Now you have to put the 47 in the box. You see they have one step backward to the left. So it's a backward counting 1 step. One box is 46. So here is 46. But right above 46 would be 30s row. So it will become 36 because the row of 30s. So this will become 36. Now again backward counting, how many steps from 36? 2 steps. So it would be 35 and then 34. So you have to write here 36, 35, 34. Now if you focus and look carefully, there is another number which is going above 36. Again I'm coming to 36. It's going above 36 would be 26 because this is the rows of 20 and this is the row for the 6. Okay, so this is how you are supposed to do the page number 12 in your maths activity book. It's nothing but they have cut out the pieces of 100 square like this and you just need to find the place and you already have done the places.